Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Old Meta gapped the market up here. Unlike yesterday where Microsoft gapped it down, Meta gapped it up. Good morning. Good morning.
Guys, sorry about that, team. I think we got a...
Did you just lag out?
Yeah, he just muted himself.
Let's see how the market is going here. Obviously, Meta. Yesterday we had Microsoft gap us down. Today we have Meta gapping us up.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Once I accepted co-host, it kicked me. I think we had a classic oversleep this morning. It happens. It happens. Acceptable. It's early, but we did just get the markets open up. We appreciate everyone's coming in and hanging out with us today. As we were saying there, Meta moving a little bit higher in the pre-market, moving everything up. Feel free to jump in. I apologize for being a little late here.
Stop it.
I hope we don't
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Market needs to open so I could sell some Meta. There we go.
Yeah, it's dumping. Something's moving lower in my portfolio. It's probably my BMNR.
Probably might be.
Well, you know it is.
Of course it is, right?
AMZN is up 3%.
Ooh.
Looking at Starbucks calls.
What is up, everybody, though? I hope you guys are doing well and excited for this Thursday. My portfolio just went red screen. That is in an ominous 666. Is Minx up here? I haven't heard any short calls yet.
I'm watching Tesla on this little curl up. Still looks strong. We hit that 450. Beautiful.
Interesting. Damn, we can do lower. A little higher. Basically, all the indexes, major indexes are green except for the IWM, which wants to go green right now. There we go. Small tick on IWM up to green.
Yeah, market just took a fucking doompy there.
I did just send out a post on SPY and Q's charts. I'll pin it in the nest. But the high that we hit to the penny on both SPY and QQQ are from November 11th to November 12th highs. So I quoted the chart from yesterday with SPY, that SR flip zone that was up there near 683, 684. We flipped over that pre-market. And now zoom out, look left on both SPY and QQQ. I highlighted there on the hourly chart with those arrows.
I'd love to see Dell come back from the dead. But if it doesn't, take the loss and move on. Same thing with Amazon. We're going to give this a couple minutes here. We'll see what stocks are moving here. Hold on, give me a second. We'll see what stocks are moving here, and we could get some trend plays.
We're right at the 0.5 retrace of Meta's break, so we'll see how that plays out here. I like that. Tesla hit some resistance, couldn't quite even get to pre-market highs. IWM is testing yesterday's high, like pre-market high. We'll see how it behaves there. And good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I am hyped. I had some Meta I literally alerted yesterday, and then some March calls I bought last week. Bottom pick. You know, you ended up buying some too, right, Casey?
I tried twice, and it would start to go, and then it pulled back down. I thought it's not ready. And then I did it again. It started to go. It pulled back down underneath like 590 again. I was like, it's not ready. And I never hit it the third time.
Oh, damn. I mean, to be fair, I did have to average. I did a double down. I was down like 20%. I did come a little early, so.
Yeah.
After the biggest week since like April, I did not want to not be in it, so I've been swinging me.
Yo, good morning, guys. Sorry, I missed the early space, but
No, we honestly can't
I
believe
hate
it.
this, but I just scaled 100 point gain on MMQ. I got runners left,
Yes, sir.
but I'm gonna look for target beneath this previous day orb high 538. But I don't want to be super biased here.
Look at this fat rejection on QQQ and SPY right off the zone. I should have just grabbed puts directly at the open into the wrist that high. Oh my god.
Yeah, then that's what was the play.
Oh, holy shit. Just went, okay, so I mean, we just entered back into the zone from yesterday, though, so this is where you want to see buyers step back in. Down to 680, 3.4 on spot, so one for a bounce right here.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
So by the way, for anyone who missed it, there was a little Wolfie U show this morning. I saw Minx was on there, early riser, I guess. But
Yeah, we had Monative. I think Frank popped in last minute.
for the record, Monative is West Coast, so that means he was either up really late or really early.
I don't know, crazy, huh?
I was waiting for 535 and didn't get it.
That's a decent candle reaction on spot.
Yeah, decent bounce. Let's see.
Oh my goodness.
That was a major bounce.
Right, come on, Meta.
I should have scalped that freaking long a second.
Man, I can't wait to see this thing back at or not back, but when we hit 1,000.
Previous week high was the gamma pin yesterday at 1650, and the low on the SPX wick as well.
Yeah, I love that monthly pullback too on the EMAs. I picked up a good chunk of shares at 586. So I'm happy to see this morning at $80. Bought it 2 weeks ago.
Let's go.
I'm personally not taking any, but this Meta bounce off to 618.5 is interesting. I've already up to my eyeballs in Meta, so I'm not taking any, but it could bounce from here.
Double down.
No, I've already got way too much exposure to Meta.
Already got back like half that move.
Dude, that was a crazy bounce. That was perfect. Holy shit.
I'm just waiting.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, very aggressive sell off there. Tipped off Monday open.
It's kind of like yesterday. How much did the market just react to that news? And it's really not going to go that direction. Like the V-shaped recovery yesterday off the Microsoft news. Market was like, nope, we're going right back up.
Okay, let's see.
All right, here comes a back test on Starbucks into this zone. I want to see if it holds. Watching HIMS as well, it almost back tested into the zone. It's getting a good buy reaction right now.
Are they bankrupt or not? Does anybody know?
The coffee shit, so I imagine so.
Who is?
But it's only $8 for a small.
Crazy money for coffee.
Crazy.
And too short, bill breaker, Scout.
I hope they're not bankrupt. They did like a dividend announcement like yesterday or something.
Oh,
Oof.
I remember they had issues.
They keep changing like the CEO, and then they say we're closing a bunch of stores, or going back to ceramic mugs like people like.
12-point gain, MNQ covered half for the Scout.
Nvidia's doing really well here.
US stock still sucks.
PayPal?
Yeah.
I'm sure you listen to some of them, but I was going with PayPal.
Yep, there you go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I thought I was unmuted. I said PayPal, and you go, yeah, PayPal. That's great. That stock does suck.
I think it's all the record sales stuff has been happening in Shopify and on retail online, and Meta or PayPal has not had the same kind of news. They're basically treading water.
All of fintech is doing so well too. I don't know. PayPal is huge.
Most physical commodities are taking a little dip right now. Gold, silver, oil.
Speaking of fintech, hoodies on a run.
Yeah, I'm watching Hood and Nvidia for continuation today to the upside.
Yeah, Nvidia's ripping too. Is it finally time for a little nibble of Nvidia swing?
What a bounce. What a bounce. Bye. What a bounce.
It moved too fast. I was like, oh, I could have it here. And then there we go.
How about a small Palantir call position, guys? Day trade.
I like
It's moving quick.
Snow had a pretty strong wick on pre-market low candles. That just reported earnings. Could be a nice mean reversion play.
Okay.
You can't make this shit up.
Let's get an alert on RKLB.
Nvidia pushing here, showing strength, might bring Q's up.
Ooh, RKLB.
earnings that people care about too much.
Flat remainder, MNQ.
Rick
I don't like this trade. I'm gonna take a half position long on MNQ for a fake out breakout at pre-market low.
Durable goods orders is coming up at 10. No.
Interesting. It's not on this list here, but this is filtered for like the top, so I'm surprised. I was looking at Market Watch's calendar. I do like trading economics, but I can filter by like the whatever. SARS.
Investing. Prefer. There's too many errors for me.
Trading economics, because I don't see this one on here. Yeah. Interesting.
Good morning.
GM.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And
General Motors.
Yo, what's up, bro?
Yo.
You can hear, it looks like you can hear the music in my background.
I can't hear it.
I don't hear anything.
Gotcha.
What are you listening to? I'm long yes.
I actually am a fan of the Spotify DJ. Right now it has Soul the Show on.
Good song.
Tesla strong.
Putting myself in profit, still in the position.
ES is weaker. There's a divergence slight happening.
On no case.
AMD strong.
Yeah.
Take a look at
Tech strong.
UiPath. Oh my god. Give me 4 points.
Thanks to Stocks and Spaces Stock Talk, I actually had a little bit of a UiPath gamble. I have the 14 calls that expire this week. I got in at 1 or 3 right now.
Just tap 17 here.
I'm looking to roll them.
Close the S in profit. I don't want to wait to start with the OC. That would have stopped me in profit right there, so fair decision.
You have a little bit of divergence right now. Vol D is strong. Vol DQ is weak. The tick is spending a little bit more time under the 0 line since the open. VIX is popping. So you got a little bit of divergence, but it's looking more bearish than it is bullish overall right here.
ES's Globex session POC is at 863 and 3/4. We're pushing below that now. See if we hold these lows or not.
So what's Vol D is volume, net volume on the New York Stock Exchange up or down. I'm seeing. What's the Vol DQ?
NASDAQ.
Interesting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
There's the right call to close it.
There it is. New lows, SPY.
Loss of previous week high.
All right, waiting for more structure before I do anything else.
Coming
Good
in
morning,
the
Mr.
bottom of the
Sleepyhead.
zone.
Good morning.
Oh, look
Good morning,
who
brother.
look who decided to show up.
Oh my god. Bro, I didn't even oversleep. I just freaking my phone died in the middle of the night.
We've already hit 2 100-point trades.
Oh!
Up in the next above, will be up there in a second. I'm jealous of this one. At one point in my life, I will
Dude,
do
and I
this.
robbed
I'll be
them
good
too,
for
man. If you go look at the 170 or the Winnebago 170 era X or whatever, they're like 70, 80K. I paid 49. Robbed them.
Rob 'em.
1,000 miles.
Okay. And that's the side. I would have expected these to be more expensive. It's the,
Dude,
how much normal cars are going now.
Dude, they're super expensive. If you go buy them brand new, they're like 280. This one's not brand new. But...
Okay, ASTS, I'm long.
First on like a North American tour for trade.
Is this what happened with the Raptor portfolio?
Dude, it bought it for free because I started at 69K and then it went up to 120. Now I'm not gonna pull out of it, but it's a free 50K for me. And I just left everything. I repositioned a few things on Meta, moved some out of PLTR, but dude, it's a free moneymaker pretty much and a good write-off.
That is true. That it is.
Try to collateralize.
Here goes ASTS.
Life insurance and stuff.
No doubt that bad is a write-off. But we'll let go. I'm not your accountant. They really do make it hard with cars.
Sprinter over 6,000 pounds, section 179.
Gotcha.
You know, falls under it.
He's got the section number.
But yeah, no interest, no warranty. Guys, if you ever buy anything from the dealer and it's either you want to extend your warranty, don't do it. You are getting ripped off, or at least negotiate it because they will. Most of the time take half.
No.
I got family in that have been in dealerships, and those are like 95% margin for them, which is why they.
Oh yeah.
Damn, I got ripped off. Not gonna lie, I did buy the extended warranty.
No,
Seems
dude,
like
they
a
were
good
like,
idea at the
you
time.
want a 3-year warranty, covers everything, to your fridge, your engine, that. It was like 13,000. I said, I just negotiated like basically on. There's no way I'm gonna just give it right back to you guys.
Hell no.
Yes.
I always buy like the platinum package, which will cover usually like everything with the new car for the duration of it. We're drilling here, by the way, on Spy, New Lows.
Yeah, I
But-
stopped at Winger.
I always talk it down to where I pay anywhere from $500 to maybe like $1,000 or so on the average. But yeah, how much they want you to initially pay for it. Yeah, fuck that. Never just be like, yeah, sounds good.
Oh, yeah.
I paid like just under $3,000 on a vehicle that was like 23,000, and it seemed like a pretty good idea to protect that investment at the time.
Oh no, 100%. It's you definitely protect it. It's just the price that they tell you that they want you to pay for it. Just be like, well, I don't know what you're smoking, dude.
Yeah, I mean, I used to work car lot sales, all that. I mean, the sales guy's job is to sell you the car. The finance manager's job is to sell you warranties. So even if you negotiate some money off of your car, it's the finance manager's job to get all of that back for the dealership and for himself. And anything on the back end really is, most of the time unnecessary because, how often do we use it? $500 a month, $400 a month. I think I bought my truck, 4 years ago? I probably only had to fix maybe $1,500, $2,000 worth of stuff.
Here goes ASTS breaking out. I trimmed here up 25%.
I remember upselling bottles of wine when I was a waiter. That was fun.
Yeah. Wow, Maple, I just saw your pin post. That's a badass man.
Yo, thanks, man.
That thing is, it's sick. I didn't know. That ain't no normal van.
That ain't no normal van.
I was like, this Maple guy, living the life. God,
You're making me kind of miss the road right now.
Maple, come up the East Coast, brother.
Dude, I know. That's what I'm saying. My wife and I were like, dude, how many states have we hit? And we were like, we only really stayed in like 10 or 11 states. We got to see all of them. So
Yeah, you do.
Time
Yeah,
to
I
get a
gotta go.
Starlink.
yeah. Oh, I got it. Yeah, I got the mini Cyber Monday deal.
You just let me know when you're coming up to California, baby.
Dude, I love the Carolinas, man. So chill up there.
Yeah, if you're ever out here, man, let me know.
I'll hit you up
Yeah.
for sure.
Come see these Blue Ridge.
The Maple Stacks tour.
I don't want to hype stuff up too early, but what I will say is there's really, really early talks about maybe events the squad, everyone coming in person. I don't know. So maybe start thinking about that. But I can't believe I haven't met Maple yet.
Dude, I haven't met any of you guys. It's crazy.
I've only met.
We do have to do
Together
that.
Like 3-4 years on Space.
Sure, yeah.
I met Evan, so I know what he looks like.
Me too.
3-minute meta has triggered a bullish SFP on those wicks, and it is crossing. It has crossed the trend line up, slightly over the 21 right here.
I'm actually impressed with Evan, with how many people he's met in person, and everybody has just collectively not doxed him.
No, one person mistakenly did it, but I don't think anyone knows.
No, they did tell me they were doing it, but I was like, nobody's gonna know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because nobody. Yeah.
So Evan is out there.
That's so funny.
I do like meta right here off that 21 for a little bounce.
I closed all my ASTS for a nice little trade there.
But yeah, in the back of your mind, guys, get excited. There might be an in-person Wolves trading event in 2026. You guys do a little live trading. I don't know. We'll see what it is, but initial thought is New York City. If you guys are really against that, now would be a good time to say that.
I'm for that.
It's pretty good, Miami. I think the choices we are choosing or thinking between are like New York and Miami. Someone brought up Vegas, but I hate Vegas.
Yeah, Vegas is just
Vegas is trash.
it's a place you go for 2 days and that's it. And I haven't even been there, but that's literally what I've heard on repeat.
So I've actually been reading a lot about Vegas in the last 2 weeks, and it seems like the tourism is completely dying there. But it seems like people are moving to Vegas as like a permanent residence, and it's like becoming an actual city more and more now.
Which is weird, because like there are some serious issues on how much water can support that. Like they actually reprocess sewage water into usable water.
Sorry, let me get to some of these questions here. So where are the type of signals what you're taking? I post my entries and exits in my Discord. We took ASTS. It was 65 calls at 135. We got 25% there in honestly just minutes. Perfect, clean little trade. And oops. We took that because we had 9 and 21 EMA bounce on multiple different time frames. We grabbed it right around 63.80, and we got a nice dollar move in literally a minute or two.
I want to just came to my grandma. Dude, I felt like a little kid. I was like, man, I got my hell yeah. Exactly. That's how it was.
3 minutes till data. That's something.
Yeah, 3 minutes till data here.
Oh, looks like Yankees breaking.
Yep, we're about to see new lows possibly.
Take it. There it is, new lows. Thank you. Bye now.
Bitcoin is getting a little bit whacked right now.
Who's too busy?
Under 92.
You go a little lower, I'll look for an entry.
I like how Meta's holding up. I tried getting the fill on swings at the bell, but it was just too hard to chase that bid down. So would like to see at least 670, maybe 675.
Tesla on the video pulling back here. I should pull it down.
Got some flow on MSTR puts as well this morning.
I feel like at a 1 MNAV, I don't know if MicroStrategy is what I'd be shorting at this point, but maybe I'm wrong.
Oh yeah, the time to short was 300 and maybe 200, but not.
Looking back on it, short MicroStrategy on Bitcoin is a fantastic trade.
Absolutely agree. I frequently post comparisons between MicroStrategy and Bitcoin on my crypto page, and MicroStrategy is actually 50% behind Bitcoin. That's the last 5.5 months. It's not even close. The outperformance on Bitcoin is clear as day.
It's the 4242 plan was the lot where we lost the plot there. It was trading like 3x MNAV.
Waymo just put out a tweet. Houston, we're now fully autonomous in your city. Ooh, on Waymo.
$10 a.m. here. Let's see.
Yep. I'm looking for spread soon. Not yet. Soon, but not yet.
Durable goods revised to 0.6, forecast negative, previous 0.6. That was a revision.
Took medicine under our call 12/12 expiration, small day trade.
Factory orders month of month, 0.2%, forecast 0.3%, previous 1.4%. That's all I'm seeing.
Meta looks pretty good here. I want to see if
Okay.
it curls up more. All that data's out, you said, Joe?
Yeah, I just saw, all I see is US factory orders month over month was a miss. Yep.
Okay.
There's a few more details with it, but that's like the main headline with it. That's all I got. And some other durable good revisions. Doesn't seem to have that big of an impact.
Cool.
Yeah, this is like the kind of stuff you'll see in a YouTube video later about how it's all contracting and like the world's gonna end.
It looks to be in line with expectations.
Still waiting. That one short scalp earlier and nothing else. Or sorry, long scalp.
I think it doesn't help too that the data is behind. I think these are I think it's September's data on both of these.
Yeah, don't give me a date with me.
The factory orders is definitely September. Durable goods, yes, also September. So, yep, we are quite a ways behind. They're catching up. So that's why I think can expect no impact on it.
Okay, Meta week. Amazon
All right,
week.
ABBV looking good. Still in those calls from yesterday. Still seem to get a move up to 231.50.
All right. I'm very excited.
Waiting to see what I do here on
It's getting a little bit of a bounce right there. That looks decent.
68.57 is a major area we're trying to hold. That's a
Dude,
big if.
Amazon. I was like, why do I keep getting alerts? My freaking chart. My goodness, Amazon is dying.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it is.
At this rate, it's almost bedtime.
Microsoft testing VWAP from below.
Apple's also drop in here. Meta really does look like I may try Meta long. I just gotta wait and see.
Do you want to buy my contract?
I was gonna say you'd already be in if you signed up for my copy trader. But
Oh,
let's see.
Hymns, Hood, Palantir, Rivian, Tesla.
Oh, pop it up a little bit. Pop it up a little bit. Come on, a little bit more.
Looks like we're gonna do nothing down here a little bit longer.
Yeah.
I can't believe how weak Amazon is. That ridiculous.
Everyone was saying Amazon's the next Google play, and people are not doing anything.
Apparently, Putin is speaking about oil right now.
I was catching a bit of a still at the lows from this last month.
SPY's still basing off 683 and holding. It's decent.
Yeah, which is a major level the last couple days too. So the longer we hold here, the more I start to turn into we're gonna bounce.
Mm-hmm.
Google's looking pretty good. I think only Amazon is the Max 7.
And Apple.
Trading back into session value now. Let's see. And mean reverting and get back to smooth.
Still not out of the woods yet on NQ though.
No, not at all.
Not anything, no. Because we haven't figured we're going to push either. We're just baselining at this kind of this pivot from the last 2 days.
For the record, I know we were talking about MicroStrategy earlier. Net options score on Prospero for MicroStrategy is 97 out of 100.
Damn. Is that sentiment, Evan?
Net option sentiment. So
So
that
Meta
is,
here, small.
Nice.
that is looking at the options chain and how people are positioned.
Bang, bang. There you go, Meta. Stop at entry.
I'm gonna look for Meta on a little dip and then get long.
Duh, you'd already be up 30% per contract gain if you would have copy traded me.
I'm also possibly looking at a QQQ short, so I'm like a little 50-50 each way.
This is VWAP from below on Meta.
Yeah. It does not go red. We can break above this. It looks good for a nice move. Pop over 300 on these bad boys from the 260. Come on, baby. You're almost there. You could do it.
Mama.
Took Meta calls a little bit earlier. We're at 30%. Let's go. Nice work. Let's fucking go. I didn't get my entry on HIMS because the premiums are a little wonky this morning. I'm still waiting for that one.
It's no positive VWAP here. I still think that could be a fun play, but I'm already allocated on my day trades. I've been very through a lot of mood swings, given the pre-market high of 687 on Meta, and then to just dump that $27.
Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, market's trying to push here.
There it
Meta's-
is. All right.
Yeah, Meta's been holding that 6185 area since market open, which to me shows some strength. That pullback push. That was awkward wording. I'm sorry, guys. I'm tired this morning. That was so weird.
I'm out
Dog's
half
trying to
of
jump in my
Meta.
lap. and I'm like, oh.
We got there.
Oh.
Trade doesn't go red. Out half.
Something like that. And we had a lot of volatility lately. I wouldn't be shocked to see some just horrific chop today.
Long gold.
Pure Storage PSTG lost like a quarter yesterday on earnings. It just broke org high.
Look at ASTS, still going. Actually ripping. Rejected the 2-minute 21 there. Q also rejected the 5-minute 9. Yeah.
I'll go level up 563s, breaking below that, back testing it. Not going to trade off of those edges.
I just grabbed QQQ puts.
Oh, you dirty.
Steamy little day.
Yeah.
Yeah, video looking weak. I wonder if the buyer.
Meta, you got in at 237. Thank you for the meta done for the day. There you go. One and done. BBB just made a new high briefly. Contracts jumped up. We're basing here on spot. I mean, it's either going to consolidate for so long and bear flag break down, or buyers will continue to defend it.
Yeah.
Rip this into the 21.
So it's going to go up or down, you're saying?
That does look like bear flag confirmation.
And Meta just died down there.
It's a good sell. I think this top was about to just hit on the rest of those ones. It hit that level from 905. I think perfect to the penny. It was 669.19. Yeah, there goes the rest. And then 69.22. But on SPY, it did fire on the previous 30-minute candle. Obviously, that was a huge move downside. The tick has not had a single zero line. It's been all morning.
Let's see if we get a
divergence.
If we get a move here, it's going to be a quick.
There it goes.
Here we go.
Yes, give it first.
Fine, you know, Q's is stronger. I mean, IWM is the strongest, but Q's is still holding it better than SPY.
Holding my 545 support there. If we break that, we can break down.
Bear trap in here? What is going on?
Oh.
I'm getting calls on the hit. So.
If we break down, I'm looking at 485 on NQ.
Trap. So also look at these 5-minute wicks on NQ.
Yeah.
Demand. Just lows.
Quite the springboard there, liquidity clearing. Jeez. I don't even know anymore. I don't know. I don't know if we're going up or down.
Yeah, it's been sitting wide. But also looking at the overnight price action, we're quite in a tight range. I have a feeling we go sideways today otherwise.
I was feeling the same way.
I don't see any true like tech name going higher right now.
I think we could bounce back to London low, but that's about it.
We've had 68.50 previous week high, been resistance twice, and support and closing gamma pin once. So I'd be surprised if we're pinned there.
Is
Reject-
Trump speaking today or nothing? Right?
He's every day. Yeah.
He rejected the
he
2 and
did.
3 MA there again, 9.
Yeah.
He rejected the 5 like 3 minutes ago.
In a non-funny way, he's meeting with Rwanda, President of Rwanda at 11, Congo, and then looks like they have a signing ceremony at 12:10 scheduled. And so I guess around noon, a little after.
Break it down.
Minutes till IB sets. Edgeful data is calling for IB low to be the first break.
It should be, but they're holding it. I may get stopped out here, to be honest. They're going to try to curl this. I can tell. They don't want to see me winning. Okay, a move over 592. I'm going to be out.
I'm flat MNQ. I don't want to sit here and wait for it anymore.
Yeah, it's shit price action right now.
Not when your gold long is ripping maple.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
This is the highest tick of the day. Plus 400.
I was gonna say, what is it? 5?
Yeah, very good.
I wonder if it's like a fake out breakout, like we broke under that 552. The second 10-minute candle was bought up, and 552 again. So I think maybe we push up to the 10-minute EMAs. I'm gonna go long here, risking this 10-minute candle low.
Yeah, maybe your IWM is definitely the relatively strongest of the indices. So M2K or Russell for your futures traders.
5-point gain gold sold half.
I mean, for risk, I do like IWM leading. Yeah, that just broke orb high if I could call.
Yep. I think it's definitely a relative strong name picking type of day, or you sit out.
Yeah, or stay away from the indices, trade takers. Yep.
Oh, ASTS.
Yes, I totally forgot about this.
Rivian's almost flat.
Kim's new high, RKLB new high. IWM is ripping base.
Gold coming into yesterday's orb high.
What stock did you just put? What stock did you say,
Yesterday's
QC?
orb, my bad.
IWM.
Do you say Raytheon? I did just see a Raytheon headline.
I see it as
No,
well.
RKLB.
Gotcha. Sorry. Raytheon announced a strategic collaboration with AWS to improve services for space customers.
So the government.
Lockheed Martin's next leg is going to be a big one.
Let's see if we can push to this previous high on gold. Left.
We could get a little pop here. It's not pulling back immediately like it did the last 3 times it tried to pop. We'll see.
Yeah, on gold, I like that it swept VWAP. Again, that previous day orb low, 236 is a concern of mine. But if we can close over that OG doji there from 950 238.2, I think that, like Jordy said, we break highs.
That would be nice.
Yes, it's added some a little higher. Q is still lower.
Still
And
can't push
Q
it
no
through.
bias, but I'm gonna look for VWAP 623. Lines up with Bill Bricker range.
Oh. Yeah, I feel you.
I think we get a little pop here.
Yeah, I think so too. I'm going to get stopped out. I'm stopping myself at 592.
Starting to try to curl now.
Yeah. Yikes. IWM is strong as shite.
Dude, Rocket Lab, what a ripper.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I just got that notification. 5%, I think it was.
Yeah, the daily does look pretty nice. For,
Look at the weekly. I had the buy zone between 40 and 42.
I cannot string 2 big wins together right now. I have no clue why. And I can't. I'm because of this. I'm trying to sell things. Look at ASTS.
Very nice.
We had a beautiful trade here at 63.80. It's up $4 since then. This is over easily 150%. Because of what I'm seeing in the market, I'm trying to take my profits quick, and then I'm just missing out on the big moves. And then I can't string in those big wins. I can't string in 2 wins together. I got to be more patient. I got to just be smarter. And this was a great trade. I mean, it was working out until now. It's starting to curl. 592 is my stop.
Stop freaking sending this alert. I know you're dead. God. I had an alert set at like 228, like 50 or something, essentially. Like,
There's higher.
there you go, Spy. Holy IWM and RTY.
Gonna see if it
Oh my
stops here.
God.
Again, no 2 or 3 minute close.
Banks fly.
2 or 3 minute close over 592 is where I get out.
Morgan Stanley. Ticker MS.
Hood and Palantir, I'm watching for longs. Hims.
WFC.
Oh, it's so frustrating, man. This is the second day in a row. We had IWM longs that went amazing. We had UNH longs that went amazing. We have AST longs that went amazing. We're finding the plays. I'm just not executing that, the maximum gains we can get. Now we're on a little drawdown here on Qs. Again, rejecting that 3 minute 21, rejecting the 2 minute 21, and rejecting the 5 minute 9. I'm going to add here. I have 621.
There were some on ES. Spy.
Being went straight to the 21.
Rejected that.
I added to my puts there on Qs after we rejected my 592.
Apple just rejected as well.
We got a 5-minute 9 EMA rejection again, 3-minute 21 rejection, 2-minute 21 rejection. I want to see a move down into 486, baby. Send it lower.
Yeah, it's gonna creep up.
Some flat Qs just be safe. Standard risk.
Yeah, I'm not in anything of this.
Oh yeah, if you're an options trader, it's cooking you on premiums.
Ooh, new low of day coming on SPY.
Yes, break it down. Break it down. Oh, there we go. There we go.
There it is.
There we go.
Must have no.
There we go.
That was a beat.
Okay, I'm trimming out there 26%.
Stop.
I want 486.
Alright, handle. Tesla about to crack the low. Almost there.
I want 486.
You get what the market gives you.
Now flush it, because this is boring now.
Yes, give us something here.
Do something crazy.
Oh, someone just flushed it.
No, maybe that might help.
We have 530s.
I haven't even formed that.
Gonna ride this down with the 9 EMA. Let's do it. I'm gonna
You take a ladder on gold, another account long.
Do I just long it now, or what is this?
Yeah, what's going on?
Yeah, I don't know.
It's like we never did that.
Yeah, this is one of those days, and we're already what?
It's one of those days.
Nope.
Yeah, almost an hour in.
Some days to hit the gas, some days to not.
Yeah. And it's been a really great week for volatility, so this shit, I'm good.
Still rejecting the 2-minute 9 there. So I'm still in the rest of my position. I'm going to be out over 567.
Dadgummit, it is a long. What the shit?
Yeah, I have. Holy moly.
Yeah,
This is insane.
If you want, I was watching the pick. I was like, minus 500 was the lowest we've gotten today. And
That is crazy.
Plus 4 in 2 minutes.
That is crazy. Where's my ACS trade?
We got 80-point range on a 10-minute candle that's at its open. All right.
That was quite the little bear trap there. Man.
20-point gain. MNQ sold half.
Nice.
Wow. That is crazy.
Let's go to VWAP.
I'm doing a put spread. They obviously don't want this lower.
Let's break this bell, baby.
They made that pretty damn clear to me.
Yeah, I was just thinking they wanted to flush it as like fake out.
Yeah, they made that pretty damn clear to me that I can do put spreads.
I say range bounder up after that. I would agree with both of you.
Yeah.
CBC flip on 10. Watching this red candle pull back. See if they buy it up and break the bill, get back over pre-market low 602. And I need a VWAP party 618.
That's what I'm looking for. VWAP party. Back into the retrace, golden trace.
It makes so much sense for us to tap in there, but that's never stopped it before.
Uh-oh, come on, gold. 38. 38.
Oh, come on, gold.
Come on, take out the side. There she is.
All right, 5-point gain on gold. The ladder. I'm gonna sell half of this one.
NDX, I'm doing a put spread. That is what we call a liquidity grab, my friends.
Yeah.
I should have sold all my contracts. But who knows? No one knows.
How would they know?
They're gonna know.
Gold take high today now.
Okay. I sold a 25,270 put and bought a 25,250 put. Oh my God. Look at Dell. You frickin' bastard.
He has like a 102. Just talking to break this high to the left.
Ooh, Dell could be nice too. Like 145.
I had 140 calls. I closed them this morning. Past 2 to 3 days, I've been trading like ass. Like ass.
Oh, to be fair, the price action on SPY and Qs, I mean, intraday has not been like.
Yeah, has not been pretty, but
It's been sniper entries and quick moves, get in, get out, like because the candles have been freaking humongous.
Trading in value now on both. I don't know. I'm happy I only took one trade this morning and nailed it.
Hey, it's gonna pop through this time. Let's go.
I see another 10 points above 6850. I don't think we're gonna get too far from it.
There she goes.
There we go.
Okay.
Give him a little something. Price is like teleporting today.
Yeah, it's very like.
Remember, IB low has formed. We have 71% chance that we take that out first. Still.
It's very just like appearing like 5 points higher instead of, moving.
Getting the gold. Fly, girl, fly.
Damn, dude. I sold ASDS so early. Holy shit.
Oh no.
Contracts are up 300%.
Damn.
That's crazy. Ooh, man. Like I said, last 2 to 3 days, only thing keeping me alive is spreads right now.
Shorty, we gonna get trade recap videos for the gold?
Potentially.
I always watch those when I program.
Yeah.
Yeah. Throw it on.
Yeah.
Something on.
Dude, IWM is on something like crazy.
Sorry, kryptonite.
Pins over 39. I want to see this continuation. See Watt Bender's listening. I'm still in my ONDS calls as well, 25% right now, just around $9.
You got room there. You rank 9/10s. You're off.
Look, the second I said that, he just made a post about it and just tagged me. Literally the exact same second I said his name, he made a post and tagged me.
Yeah, the QQQ spread, selling a 615 put, buying a 612 put.
Oh, Hims, you gonna make me tram. Stop.
Stompa.
Stop going higher.
Stompa.
Man, my account gets so green today. Oh shit. M's popping. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh! Let's go.
There
Give me
we
that
go.
BWAP party.
Hey,
Beautiful.
Shotty.
There's 618s.
All right, let's go. 50-point gain right there. Sold a quarter. MNQ.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna take a little trim here on my Hims.
All right, now let's go sideways here for an hour.
Dude, I almost added SPY calls right there too, where I was like, I'm gonna really be over trading if I take that as well. Holy shit, Hims. Okay, like stop. Stop.
I feel like 39.87 breaks and we sneeze and it's 42.
Right?
Yeah, that's how price action is.
Hey.
Meta, Mizuho sees strong rally ahead for Meta shares. Analyst reaffirms outperform with 850 strike target. Bull case 1245, 1,245 for Meta. Okay.
630s.
BP news spike in talks to sell 8 billion Castrol unit to Stone Peak. Financial Times story.
What a ripper on SPY. I should have been greedy.
It's good.
Mama.
Actually, IWM is fucking cooking.
Price action is so weird.
This is very strange.
It's like, oh, we're doing nothing. And you turn around, you look back at it, and they made a move.
Now we're doing something.
Now we're doing something.
Yes, rejecting its session POC right here.
All right, this is where I get interested in attempting to trade Starbucks.
The Bucks of Star?
Yeah, it entered into the zone. It just hit the bottom of it and holding so far. The only issue is the options on this thing are ass. Well, they were this morning when I first pulled it up.
They're ash.
So let me try and pull up the options chain again and see what they look like.
Oh, damn. JP Morgan did work out really nice.
Dude, I know all the things.
I was going to long it on that flat kind of flag there, and I just never looked back at it.
Pretty for that whole drop attack swing.
Yeah.
Say hi, reclaim in video.
Oh. Ooh.
Meta is sitting at 30-minute or below. Very tight. Sorry, not Meta, Amazon.
There's no freaking volume on Starbucks. That's because no one trades this shit. Maybe if they made better coffee, the traders stop.
Look at the range, though. I mean, why would you want to trade that?
I know.
You kind of have an inverse head and shoulder thing going on with the higher low made on the around the 21st.
Yeah, so you have your inverse head and shoulders. It's in a squeeze moving upside. Your resistance is right up here between about 87.50, 88 bucks. And if it starts to squeeze, I mean, 90 will be obviously first pit stop. If it wants to get juicy, I mean, 93, 94. You had a nice morning star reversal yesterday off the 21, the higher low trend line with the inverse head and shoulders. Like, the setup is here. It's just, one, at Starbucks, and two, the options. There's no volume.
I don't think market has any interest in low margin businesses like that.
Yeah.
Like,
that's what it
it's
seems
not
like.
big time. It's not pizza time. It's tech.
It's tech time.
Sam, speaking of tech, SanDisk is back over 200 today, 6% up.
NVIDIA back at high day after just hitting 180 again.
Yeah, I'm going to throw up. That's the second day in a row I missed out on a major gainer that I was in. UNH yesterday went $11 up. ASTS is up $6 since my exit. Holy moly. I'm going to throw up.
Dude, ASTS is on fire. What did you do?
I'm going to throw up.
You know it's okay, because I missed RKLD. Look at this bad boy.
Rocket Lab.
Yeah.
Teradyne is making new all-time highs. They took a TER.
TER.
I saw this thing like last summer. Should not have.
It's kind of a slow mover though, but Kathy Art has a big allocation in it, or at least they did.
I think that's how I found out about it, and then I traded it. And I haven't looked at it since then.
PLTR looks like it wants to push higher.
But you've got VWAP and previous day high retest right here, right at the middle of 30-minute orb. NVIDIA going for that orb high.
All right, PLTR, I'm long.
I just got an alert on Bloom Energy. Whoa! Whoa! Holy
Ripper.
yeah! I can't believe I missed this one too.
I actually looked at that the other day. Someone made me chart it.
I did.
Oh, maybe, baby.
Yeah. Wow, what a freaking move.
All right, light morning for me. I'm gonna get some breakfast. Everybody have a good nose, too.
Guys, stay far away. I'm long PLTR. That means don't log it. Stay far away from me.
Last time you did that, I didn't take it, and it was looking really good.
No. Stay far away. You know what's gonna happen now that I'm long.
Oh, dude, let me buy a call right now. It's gonna inverse the shit out of this thing.
IWM had a 2-minute hangyman shooting star and dipping now. Dell is just continuing higher. Motherfucker.
Looks like we're coming down for another 6850 test. I seriously think we just stuck there the rest of the day.
I think Joe mentioned on ES volume point control spies was up there near 684.35, just whipped above, and then cut right back down into the range.
Tick back at lowest of day, almost minus 600.
Dude, the tick yesterday was so disgusting. It opened up at like 650 something, and then all day just back and forth, like minus and plus 400 until like the back half of the session. And it started to get a little bit more, but never went extended either direction.
Yeah, not a lot of trading action going on. I mean, think about it, we're 1 week to FOMC. We've already got the cut priced in. So unless they price that out, I don't see maybe major moves.
Is it FOMC or is it just the minutes?
FOMC.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the 10th.
And we already know what he's gonna say. So
You know what? It's perfect. I'm gonna be on a plane all day. It's perfect.
All right, guys, I'm logging off. Not loving the price action. I'll talk to you guys soon.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same too.
later, Emma.
Bye.
Appreciate you.
I'm curious if she's still in meta.
Trailing stop hit remainder, MNQ and profit.
I had a chance to take out that afternoon first.
Yep. What did I say, guys? Do not follow me in PLTR, and here it is. This literally sums up my week. This sums up my week. Holy moly. I cannot catch a break from my life. Goddamn! Della's looking still holding up there. Very nice. Wick the 90 MA. IWM looks really nice. Looks like it could type.
Zone down pounds here for some reason.
I have volume point and control here on the 5 minute, exactly where we just wicked.
My red zone starts at like 176.92 to previous day high. So why? How to get this level? What is this from? Oh. It's from, what day is this? Friday, November 14th. That's why I have that different balance here.
Damn. Okay. So.
NVIDIA from 180 this morning to 183, back down to 180, back to 183, now projecting to come back in. Holy spy candles.
ASTS is 70.
CNQ take out that IB low.
ASTS don't give a damn. IDubs needs to get over that 251. Like, no trade here for me. The buy was 45 cents ago, but Wop bender. I love it. No, he goes, if you want a break, go look at Ondas. Go long Ondas. I love that man. He's a funny guy.
I saw he messaged that he just got back from Europe. Where'd you go, Offender?
He just posted a picture the other day. It looked pretty sweet. Still flying. Jeez.
My path call. I just rolled my path calls. The 14s that expire this week to the 18s that expire January. I took in like 2.5x what I put in. Something like that. It was I misread again, but I put in $200 and I just took out $500.
Hell yeah.
Noise. So you swung weeklies into earnings?
For the record, yeah, this was Stockman Spaces. Stockman was talking about it. This was not my trip. But it worked. Which means I can't take credit for it, and you gotta take the blame when it goes bad.
Not a trader, but swinging weeklies into earnings. Okay.
Dude. I wish I still had my pad.
IWM trying to break those highs. Only 10 cents away now.
Which was the path on that?
ASTS starting to calm down a little bit here.
I was in $15 calls for $12.19. At $1.22 at one point.
Run it to the ground.
What are they at now? Oh, they're only up 100%.
That's gotta be short right now. Let me look at the strings.
Oh.
Oh yeah, he's
Oop, iDubbbz. And we got a new high.
IWM new high day. Oh.
You had a beautiful 2, 3, and 5 minute 9 EMA tap at 250.45, and you got 60 plus cents here to the upside. 251 calls would obviously be in the money.
MSTR 190. And over previous day high, just barely. Probably a little overextended there.
IWM is just fine. So let's do this new hourly candle.
ONDS, new highs. Ooh, Intel. Oh,
Mr. Intel doing?
Mama.
oh. Dude, stock's down 4.5% right now.
Oh,
Look at this daily. Ooh.
On the Intel.
Yeah.
What kind of intel they giving us?
Bearish.
Only up 3% this week now.
Oh, brother, they stink.
I can't short that thing here, but geez.
I'm short NQ here, 10-minute green.
Mm.
I like it. High chance we take out the low today.
Still has $1 more and good downside.
Yeah, rejected volume point of control there in 2-minute 9. Oh, there goes IWM. Now it's really starting to break out of that 221. That 221. 221. I think I just cracked every bone in my body. Not too sure. I actually may be dead after that.
This is your reminder while we are chopping to drink some water.
Stay hydrated, folks. Thanks for the reminder, DK. Always appreciate it.
Oh man, I gotta take my freaking doodles to go get groomed.
Dad issues.
I know, right?
Alright, we can bounce here, but I won't see it stay below.
There's no way I'm gonna change over to this Amazon chart and it's making another new low because another alert's going off.
Sheet.
Oh yes, it is drilling.
Out of body.
Gold trying to bust highs here.
Yeah, it is. Now it's doing it.
Yeah, let's get it.
Gold is bold.
What is Jeff doing?
My name's Jeff.
There's Jeff.
Oh, Dell. I don't like you. I don't like you.
Yeah, ooh, Dell just keeps going.
Kick BK. Kick him.
Dude, this open door stock might go crazy.
Yeah, Dell is very, very nice here.
Dell just hit the weekly.
Where did I close Dell? Oh, man. Let me go look at where I closed Dell.
On display.
Keep off retest from above.
Nvidia's come back to the midpoint after 183 rejection.
It's rug season, Vincent.
Ooh, 25-point gain. MNQ covered half. I love shorting that green.
VIX is getting a little perky here. Perky.
It's percolated.
Oh, percolated.
Oh, NQ broke
Skip
the
it.
board. Ooh, is that scissor?
Uh, 1-800 rugs are up. It's your Christmas.
All right, 40-point gain. MNQ covered the board.
Yeah. Break that ID low, baby. Don't you dare.
Okay, I am out.
That'd be so nasty.
Palantir for Laos.
Drop Q's $1 more, and then it's a fat long.
Odd here to see VIX spiking almost high of day, but but also have a neutral / positive tick.
Dude, that's how it was yesterday. Like, I just kept watching the tick on the move up and then looking at the candles it was getting. And I was like, but the tick is not like doing anything. It was so weird.
Doesn't it that big players are staying out of futures positions?
Yeah. Let's go.
Some really good scalps in the video. Just gave the scalp. Fine Q's doing the thing.
Well, I find this for market.
Bye bye. Hope you find your dad.
What's up, my friends?
What is up?
What's going on, boys?
Yo, yo, yo.
What a
What's
beautiful
up,
morning.
boys?
Yo, Bully, what's up, bro?
What's going on, folks?
Dude, squeeze your data on these mid caps.
Oh yeah.
Big time.
I'm out my Palantir for a loss there.
I call that one out. I had a
I bet you it runs, you know.
$12.40.
I sold it
Not bad.
actually before the candle closed, which I shouldn't have done.
Straight freaking through it. It
But
went all the way up to
we'll
like
see.
1280. It bounced.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, that daily chart.
Yeah, I sold it before the candle closed, which I never usually do, but
It's almost there.
I think I'm done for the day, to be honest. It has been, for me, it's been poor trading the last 2 days. I mean, look at how disgusting this is. I have 3 25% losses. Now, it's not showing the ASTS trade. I'm not sure why. That'll be added. But let me start writing all my notes for these because, this is just frustrating. The Dell trade obviously worked out. QQQ should have been so much better. I wish we had stops on the platform so far, but we do not. Yeah, just poor trading. Poor trading. And again, that happens, but I'm just more so frustrated at myself. That's basically what it is. Because I know I'm much better than what is going on here. I mean, I hope at least the education is helping out. Obviously, the trades aren't, working out right now. Let's do this. Okay.
You in equity or options? Spreads a little while on most of them.
Yeah, until it starts working, and then they look in favor.
Yeah, right.
20% IE, can't complain with it.
Yeah.
They're priced nice.
Damn.
These expensive names, they spread like that. They still work good.
I threw that IV data up top. That we're using this morning. I know AMZN straight using that as well. I don't know how many days in a row it's been that it's called the break of IB, but just beautiful.
Highest tick of the day right here.
Gold doing that thing.
Yeah, gold's doing that
14
thing.
point gain gold. I'm gonna sell down to the runners here now.
Oh, Maple got back in. Shit.
No,
I didn't
I
get
held
that
the
in.
initial. I sold the ladder.
Oh, you held that? You're a savage. Yeah. I
You know,
need to stop
Sean did too.
that.
This crazy Saturday Bully, he taught me ladders, man. Now I use it a little differently.
That's my boy.
Yeah.
Dude, those ladders, man.
So you do it,
I
man.
got stopped at 42, 35 there.
Dude, Maple, can you believe I still remember our full conversation from that day, bro?
Dude, yeah,
So
I still
long
have a
ago,
recording, man.
It's crazy.
And you know what I love is that looking back, what was that? Maybe 4.5 years ago now?
4 years ago, bro.
We trade the same way, man.
I know.
We trade the same way. We just get better as time progresses.
So true.
Dude, this is insane. SPY just made, or I mean, equal low on SPY almost. QQQ new low of day. Both the internals. Vol D is cruising higher all morning. Vol DQ is positive, moving higher. Again, the tick on the downside, they haven't been overextended. Like the divergence on everything is just insane when it comes to SPY cues. I'm not interested in this. I'm looking at individual names. This is ridiculous.
The Royal Bank of Canada. Ticker RY.
Alright, which one of you guys are buying Neo calls? Who trades this thing? What the hell? There are repeated orders on $5 calls for 5/15/2026. About 15 or so different orders in the last hour, adding up to about $1.27 million.
Pretty nasty.
On Neo? Why? Who is? Why are they buying these calls on Neo?
I don't know if anyone trades Fabrinet FN. It's doing really well today. Yeah, this has been one of the mega runners for a while.
How do those options move? I can give it a shot.
They move.
Another good day for Corby.
TE Energy up 11% at $5. Hey, Wolfie. Wolf.
What's good?
I'm gonna send you a DM. Check your DM real quick.
Alright, bro.
Been on such a heater, bro. It's kind of nasty.
You want to buy the M&R? Could use some love.
DNR.
I'm just pumping my bags.
Where's she at?
Shoot, pump your book. No, it's not bad intraday, I will say, but I mean, still.
They're holding on to those lows that you broke and they claimed, which is good.
Have you averaged on that, Evan? Not that much. A little bit, but I kind of got to the point where I feel comfortable in the sizing of the position.
Not bad, huh, Wolfie?
Yeah, let's go, bro. Sure.
Let's go. Take that.
Yeah, I did not handle BMNR the best. I think I just need to get that posted a little bit and then talk through it and find out lesson there. But
Walmart no new all-time high tonight.
I still think BMNR works long term. I'll say it.
I mean, this has been our first actual downturn in the bull market from April. Nasdaq bull market is divided trigger one, but like if we do get back to pushing highs consistently, which I think is more likely than not, I wouldn't be surprised at it. It's not very likely the bull market fails out on its first retrace.
Space names went crazy today. ASTS up almost 13.
Oh no,
Yeah.
Nos was all over ASTS.
Yeah.
And then
Beautiful.
I had an alert on Rocket Lab go off this morning and took my eyes off it for too long, and that one another ripper looking really nice.
Back earlier in the summer when Trump and Elon Musk were beefing, remember that?
Oh yeah.
I went and bought some ASTS shares just for the fuck of it. I'm like, you know what? Like, let me have some space exposure that's not Tesla. And dude, my shares are up like 130% from the summer.
Oh yeah.
It's fucking nasty.
Gold over pre-market high here. Plus the next level I got is 254.9.
PLTR is still holding 9 and 21 on multiple time frames. I did close my position, and I'm probably done for the day. I'm just going to sit in my puta spread.
Dude, gold has been such a monster this year. It's unreal.
Oh, yes, it has. Been crazy.
The funny thing is, it's not even done, bro. Like, if you look at all the gold charts, they all look so bullish, it's crazy. Barrick, AEM, GDX, GLD, like the whole board.
It's not over yet.
BK.
Hi.
Look at Dell now, about to break Tuesday's highs.
Oh crap. Yeah.
It's still going. She's a moving. She's a trucking.
She's a runner. She's a track star.
She's a track star.
No, I'm kind of thinking about doing an SPX credit spread or potential iron condor.
I did a put spread because they've been holding those lows. I'm like 300 points out on NDX, so I'm good. I feel good, at least I should say.
NBIS above 100. Sarepta catching a bid. SRPT.
Well, that's surreptitious.
Wait, can you say that again?
You know the market's not doing much when there's ticker and company comps.
There goes PLTR.
Oh my god, these quantums going crazy. IONQ high a day, RGTI high a day, QUBT high a day.
Finally getting some love.
BMNR high a day.
Mm-hmm.
Although not quantum, but it was mentioned. Uranium's having a fantastic day. SMR, OCLO, LTBR, UEC, URA, CCJ.
Alright, I'm gonna put credit spread right now on SPX. We'll look to add into a call credit spread here soon if we do continue to stall out here. I can sell some calls for some decent premium on the upside, but like Nas just said, they are holding the put side a little bit better. You can go farther out of the money, get a decent move. I like the bounce area on Qs as well. I wanted to see 619.60 area, but we did get a nice bounce off of that SPY double bottom as well back to this midpoint. So I like it. So I sold 6,800s on SPX, and I have to go take my dogs to the breakfast. I will be back in like an hour.
Your dog?
PC, why would you get the green deer to cover mega MNQ green trade?
Dude, freaking expensive as shit to get mobile groomers to come out here. Plus, I have a mini golden doodle and a Congo boo. So they have like the kind of hair they have is a little bit higher maintenance. So they always charge me a lot more because of that. So it was gonna be like $200 per dog for them to come out here.
Oh,
Damn, that's crazy. It was fucking insane. I was like, they were like,
That's fucking insane.
for everything, you know, nails clipped, getting the bath, and then getting a haircut for their size and their curly hair. They were like, yeah, the plans are gonna start around like $170, you know, per freaking dog. Then if you want to add on a few other things like $5-10. I was like, you gotta tip them, honestly. I'm like, I'm gonna spend $400. Like, this is insane.
Here's what I will say. This is dumb. But if you were able to sit at your desk for an extra hour and make that money trading, wouldn't that be worth it? I'm not saying that's a good consistent thing to do. And I did preface this by saying it's dumb. But
it would be worth it if you liked your dog. My mini golden doodle is an asshole. So,
You know, what are those things from the 90s? Bro.
Oh, I remember my dog.
little robe.
Sand is 215 almost. High day. Stays a
listen,
monster.
keep that on your company, Sandus.
Bro, stay safe. I'll be back in an hour.
We appreciate you, Casey.
Yes,
You
sir.
crazy. Dude, no, this thing is fucking going crazy. Western Digital trying to catch up to it. The BBC.
Look at Sandus, now 10%.
Yeah, bro, let's go. I'm long, man.
Buddy, slay.
I picked it up this morning. It's going crazy.
I mentioned Pure Storage earlier. Was strong with some pre-market lows. That has now flipped from red to green, over $2 up off that. I didn't take that, but if you did here earlier, let's go.
Oh. Okay, WULF Wolf catching the bid.
I'm long MNQ bill breaker. Scout looking for VWAP 10-20.
This is our gamma pin level 6850. My expectations getting away from 6850 are very, very low.
and Beyond Volume Pop, BBBY. Out of nowhere. Oh my god, these quantums are still going crazy. IONQ up 12, RGTI almost 10, GBT 7.
Wonder if that's a continuing thing or just still a little kind of.
I would watch that
Short-term
end
pop.
this break right at $100. It's 1016 above the daily 20. Right at the gap high. Looks pretty good. SMR up 11% today. Uraniums. All old themes just playing out today. At the same time, uranium, quantum, data centers.
I mean, the energy play is still not. I still don't think that's fully in yet. Considering like prices, 50% up next year wholesale prices. That's some conservative government numbers from IEA.
ASTS pushing higher. You had a 3-minute 21 tap, and you could have already gotten, if you just bought that dip, you could have gotten $2.30 already.
Yeah, this mid cap market is doing magical things.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes, it is. Dell broke above Tuesday's high. Next target would be 140.72. Coming in a little bit here on Dell. Coming in a wee bit.
In this range. Tesla's having a quieter day, but still holding up. That's what I like to see. Bigger time frame still looks amazing.
That may have been the lowest tick of the day right there.
Yeah. I'm done for the day. I'm just watching.
Do you have some spreads that are playing out?
Yeah, put spreads. I think I'm up like 20% or something. Let's see. Let me see. I am up. Oh no, I'm up more than that. I'm up like 30%. Nothing crazy. Again, I'm also 270 points out. So, and every dip has been getting bought. We had a lower low there, but I mean, it immediately got bought, and it wasn't. It was what, 15 points lower? Yeah. So, to me, I don't see us dropping, barring some crazy news that comes out. So I should be pretty clean on those to, collect 100% or at worst case, collect 75, 80%. Jordan, we got to get you going on Vanquish.
No, I need to sit down with you. Or just watch some of your YouTube videos, honestly.
I actually did one last night. Mr. Handsome Casey was there.
Oh, that's good.
That handsome fella. Do.
We're having a good day today, boys.
Oh, yeah.
Was that AMD? Yeah, AMD just went green there.
Good months. Good 2 months.
AMD and NVIDIA look like they want to break highs here.
Yeah, I see on NQ we got that orb liquidity sweep off the low. Clear VWAP mid orb area, and then we have a good shot on 713. That's only if we clear that mid orb.
Maybe.
Yes, sir.
Did you actually buy that back? That thing?
Yeah.
Dude, bro. Bro, please do.
I love it. Clean Diesel has got like 41,000 miles. Been picking it out the last couple of days.
Nice. Fuck yeah.
But yeah, dude, wherever I park, I got it all out of my
Yeah, EVV. I mean, options trading wise, like regular options trading wise, not including spreads, I'm also down this week. Again, just stupid mistakes. Very, very simple and stupid mistakes. I mean, we had trades on ASTS. We got 25%. They're 300%, 400% now. We had a trade on UNH yesterday that went. Well, in this case, didn't actually fill me. It filled others. But from 327 to 340, again, another one. PLTR yesterday, that was another one. Look at that. IWM yesterday, another one. Again, these trades, I am starting to understand what I'm doing wrong. Well, I understand what I'm doing wrong, I should say. I do understand. And it's a case like this, okay? I want to be trading names like this. Okay, we get this beautiful dip buys, and you could see the strong trend. Okay, now this trade did work. Okay, this trade did work. Okay, but it wasn't a strong trend truly when I got in. It was the same. It's not like this. It's not like this. It's not like this. So this is what we have to focus on. Things like this. And that's exactly what I have in my head now, and I am ready to attack that. Being that it's 11:30, I'm just going to let it be. I'm not trading for the rest of the day. Good to take a cool down anyway. But But yeah, that's basically how I'm seeing it. Our spreads are working out. We look to be, again, I'm going to be green on the day regarding that. And tomorrow I'm going to be ready to kick some fucking ass. So that's for damn sure. I'm going to put on my copy subscriber now because I am ready to follow people. I was waiting for my funds to come in. Now I'm ready to get this going here. This is disgusting. I actually want to throw up looking at that.
Get a little white label going.
I don't even want to look at it on here.
Then you
Ugh.
just market make it to inflate volume.
Disgusting. Disgusting.
We don't want to do that stuff. I will say, we were secondly thought about a prompt first, but I didn't like it.
I want to get this up. I'm usually around a 70% win rate, and I definitely want to get this up because that should be so much higher than what it is. Again, live, learn. We're going to grow. We're going to get going. I'm ready to kick some ass out. The PLTR trade, again, did work out really well. And also, let's go back to actually why I exited. I should have stayed in this trade. Look at the 10-minute. We wicked every time, but we closed above. There was no reason to close this trade, and I just closed it too early. I didn't wait for that. I didn't wait for that close. I mean, yeah, that close. Had a 200 SMA that held really well. We're about to break new highs. So again, another trade there that would have worked out perfectly.
Say they're on, but the legislation they're using to get it to supersede the She just raised 11 billion. No.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, there was the stat. One of the co-founders, this woman, she made more money than Taylor Swift.
Hello.
Yeah, that's Brazilian. Was nobody now a billionaire. But imagine they launched not even that long ago. And she's already good. All these mid caps are still holding up really nice.
Yeah, we're slowly getting into that lunch hour.
Yeah, it kind of sucks because market's been a little choppy all day.
You've been trading big tech.
Maybe this surprise is going to give us a little bit of a move from one.
XPI leading sector today. That SMR offload just basing, building for another leg. Same with CCG.
I like the actual ticker SMR a lot more than Octo because they've got the advantage. An even safer bet is CEG because they're the
I like that one.
nuclear operator already.
It's good. Oof, dude, USAR squeezing 17% today. Damn. All those BT dominant tickers just having a blast today.
Hey, now sorry.
NVIDIA new high day. AMD going for it right now. PLTR is almost at new high day. Dell is almost at new high day.
That daily reject on Rivian is kind of setting up for a one-off daily retest 15s. You just see like 1690 go up first, but not a beautiful look for swings.
Yep. AMD's almost there. But not yet.
Because sideways and tight intraday.
Robin Hood trying to wake up.
Don't look at pounds here. Just the 4-5 going on.
No, I know. Like I said, that sums up my last 2 days. But I don't care. It is what it is. I know what I did wrong now. I was just looking back, and I know what I did. So it don't matter to me. It is what it is. On to the next one. I'm still going to be Greenland today, from what it looks like, due to spread. So.
Kiwi, go to your place. No, go to your place. Good boy.
Speaking of dogs, I have to go walk mine because they're actually yelling at me right now. So I'll be right back.
This guy's my best friend. I love this dog. Oh, that's a good boy. I was never a dog guy, but Rizzy convinced me to get a dog. And now I'm
They're the
stuck
best.
in this.
Now you will never ever not have one.
Bro, the thing is, so I got a golden retriever,
Yeah.
and I thought they're gonna be, like 50, 60 pounds, bro. My dog ended up being a polar bear, and he's a 110-pound golden retriever.
Yeah, they could be big. That's for sure. But yeah, no, literally, once you have one, you'll never not gonna want to have one. Always. Always.
He's ridiculous. Big ass dog. Good dog.
Let's go, baby. Want to go bathroom?
Give me the Billy.
And nice pop.
Nice CBC flip. Red candle buys gave good opportunities. Still holding my long, but I want VWAP scale 609, 610, and then pivot higher high. Intraday pivot higher high, not new high day, but 638.75 in QQ.
Like that, you got a pretty clean reject on VIX.
Oh, we are pushing higher, my friends. Everything with morning heat continuing. SMR, CCJ, Robin Hood. Wolf. A 3.7 no.
Let's go.
Let's go.
See if the M2 can really be breaking down this little range.
Ooh, laser. LAZR up 30% today. Things a little squeezy.
20-point gain, MNQ sold half on VWAP. GG.
GG.
And break these highs in the last 640. And Q looks like it wants to try and take them first. ES is lagging a bit. This might be a short spot at these after we take out these highs on AQ, unless we see some real momentum step in. Above like that 667, this thing can really fly. I'm anticipating rejection after we take these highs though.
ASTS is up 16% on the day. What the fuck?
Let's go.
Someone run me over with a bus.
Hell yeah, baby.
Okay, I do have to hop on a call. I will catch you guys in a wee bit.
No worries, brother.
Okay. Hey guys, I do have to hop on a call here. Again, pretty shitty trading, in all honesty. We are going to get back on tomorrow, 100%. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. Let's kick some absolute ass going